We'll guide you through how to use Krita shortcut keys to boost your productivity and streamline your workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your computer and make sure you're in the canvas view where you can start drawing or editing your art. Once you're in, one of the most essential shortcuts is pressing the spacebar to quickly access the pan tool. This allows you to move around your canvas with ease. For zooming in and out, use the shortcut keys CTRL and plus or minus. This will help you focus on details or get a broader view of your artwork. Now, if you want to quickly switch between the brush tool and the eraser, you can press the E key. This toggles between the two, saving you time when making corrections or refining your work. To undo or redo any action, use CTRL Z and CTRL Shift Z respectively. This is incredibly useful for correcting mistakes without disrupting your workflow. If you need to change the size of your brush efficiently, use the Shift key along with dragging your stylus or mouse. This allows you to dynamically resize your brush without having to go into menus. Another handy tip is to use the V key for the Move tool, which is helpful when you need to adjust the position of layers on your canvas. Speaking of layers, to quickly add a new layer, use the CTRL Shift N shortcut. This is crucial for organizing different elements of your artwork without cluttering. Remember to save your work frequently by pressing CTRL-S, ensuring that all your progress is secure. These shortcut keys can significantly enhance your workflow by making actions faster and more intuitive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.